27th of June 2021. This is Porthaninkatu, Porthaninkatu 6 Stakes B, and we have also been to the Stakes C, which has a hissy on the bottom, but this one doesn't have it.
Yeah.
We'll go to Stakes A also. There are 7 floors here. And it was built in 1961, turning 60 years old this year in 2021. The serial number is H9550, and it's going to be inspected in next year, 2022. That's 7 floors. Amazing. As amazing as the Stakes C.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is here in Kallio, Helsinki, Kallio, Perhel. Which is also close to the church and the library here in this district.
Inspected by kiva inspectant, maintained by Kone.
Just the right maintenance here.
Yeah.
But of course I've seen also the worst maintenance, but the original.
Yeah.
And quite a lot of those. But it's great that this great maintenance is the original.
Yeah.
Well, because the mechanics are running well, the relays and everything is working fine.
Yeah.
And no matter it is 60 years of age. Okay, let's try to take a stay here.
Yeah.
So we have the whole building. It's all filmed here. And that's it.
That's